Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Yuki, the trainer from JEGA. In today's video, we are going to talk about the JEGA AiCutlist new drawer features. And we will start from the polyline command. The polyline command lets you create combined shapes. It's a continuous line made out of the several segments or arcs connect end to end. Let's get into JEGA AiCutlist. Come to this drawer menu, drawer panel. You will see this polyline command here, or you can directly press Ctrl plus the wave light on your keyboard to directly enter the draw mode. Under this mode, you can directly input the PL load on your keyboard to invoke this command. Now let's use this one first. Simple left click. Move your cursor into the canvas. Pick up the first point. Then move to the right. Specify the value of the first line. Hit the space key. Move your cursor down and specify the next dimension. Click the space key. Move to the left. And move up to connect it. Press the space key to end command. Then you will create this combined rectangle shape. Or you can create a shape with the polyline and the arc shape. To invoke the command back, you just hit the space key again. Now let's pick up the first point and move to the right side. Input the value and hit the space key. Then you can see at the below, here is another command like the A for the arc shape and C to close it. So now I just input A and hit the space key. Input 45 and hit the space key again. Then you will draw this arc shape. Now I still under the arc shape the command. I need to press the Alt to change to the line. Still the same, input the value, hit the space key. Then you can click the C key to close this shape. Next, you can use this command to create a continuous line. And you can see it's a shortcut key PL. So you just input PL and hit the space key. Now you can simple left click to pick up the first point and move to the right side. Specify the dimension, press space key. Now you can move to the top part, like input the dimension and press the tab key to save this value and move to the second field and input the degree of this line, 45 and space key again. Then you can move down. Here, specify dimension and space key. Then you can move to the right side. Simple left click to convert this polyline and hit the space key to end it. The last thing is that you can also create a polyline with the line and the arc shape. So let's press the space key to invoke this command. Pick up the first point. Specify dimension, space key. Now you can see at the bottom here is the art command or close command. So you can just press A and space key. Then move to the place you want and simple left click. Now you just hit the space key to end this command. Now we are going to talk about the circle command in JEGA AiCutlist. By the way, I need to mention that in our software, the circle is drawn by the dividing the radius. First, come to the top part. Here is the circle command. You just simple left click it. Then you can start to pick up the first center. Simple left click and move on. Specify the radius of this circle and hit the space key. Now you will draw this circle like this. Here you can press the C key on your keyboard to invoke the circled command. Still the same, select the center and then to draw it. Or you can also draw it in other size. And now I want to draw the circle at this part by drawing a horizontal hose. Let me show the auxiliary first. Press the C key to invoke this command. Select the center to draw it. Now we are going to talk about the polygon command in JEGA AiCutlist. You can use the polygon command to create the polygon milling shape or the outer contour polygon shape on your panel. Here is the draw panel. This is the polygon command. You can directly click this one to start the command, or you can use the shortcut key POL to invoke the command. If you're using the shortcut key, remember to enter the draw mode. Press the Ctrl and Wave on your keyboard. Then it will show this white toolbar. Then you can just input the POL to invoke those commands. First, I would like to draw a circle for the assistant. Just pick up the center and input the radius. Hit the space key to play this. Okay, now we have this to the circle. The next thing we are going to use this polygon command. Left click this polygon command. First, you need to input the numbers of the size. Now I would like to use the pentagon as an example. So I just keep it 5, hit the space key. The next is to select the center of this polygon. So I would like to use the center of this circle as an example. Hover your cursors on these circles, then it will show the center of this circle. So now I just left click. Then you need to select this polygon is inscribed in circles or circumstant about circles. So I just keep it the inscribed in circle and hit the space key. Now you can move up, move your cursors on the circle and simple left click to place this. After you create this, you can just delete the circle. If you want to use the POL, you just directly input it and hit the space key. Still the same, enter the numbers of the size and select the center. Simple left click. And now I just select the circumstant about circles. Input the C and press the space key. Then you can move this out. Just simple left click to place this one. Then still the same, you can delete the circle. If you are not using the circle as a system, you can also use the polygon command. Right now, if I want to create a triangle, I just set the size to 3 and hit the space key. Then specify the center point and set it to the inscribe in circles. Then you can create the triangle. Input the radius created. Like this. To make a milling undone, you just use this 3D stretch feature. So just click on it. And then left click, moving down, and left click again. Then you can make a milling on this panel. If you would like to create an outer contour polygon, still using this command, polygon, left click, and let's move to the top view. Enter the numbers of the side, I just input 6 and hit the space key. And specify the center of the point, I just pick up one point and convert the inscribe in circle. Then you can input the radius of this panel. So I just input 150 and hit the space key. After you create one, you can use the copied command to copy one more. Just select it and click the copy. Then I need to select the base point. Before that, I would like to change this to the front view and move it to the top, and the height is 250 and hit space key. And escape key to end it. Now I can select both of them, hold the Control key to select them and add a panel on it, and hit the space key to convert the thickness. What's more, you can also use this add panel. I just input the AP and hit the space key. And select the first corner, move to the second corner, and just simple left click. Move your cursors behind this face and just hit the space key. Then you can create a panel at here. Still the same for the other side. Just hit the space key again to invoke the command. We are going to talk about the rectangle command in the JEGA aiCutlist. So you can use this command to draw a cutout or the inner milling on the panel. Here this is the rectangle command, or you can use the shortcut key REC to invoke this command. But if you would like to invoke this command, first you need to press the controls and V left on your keyboard. When this white box show up, you can use the shortcut key to invoke the command. So like now I just input REC and hit the space key. Specify the first corner, like I would like to specify from here. Left click and to determine another point. Directly left click to determine this whole shape. Or you can specify the dimension, like just input 100 and press the tab key on the keyboard to save these values and change to the second field. Like this is 150 and hit the space key. You can create this rectangle here. If you would like to create an inner milling rectangle here, as I already used this command before, so I just press the space key again to invoke this command. Still the same, left click and left click again to draw a shape here. If you would like to draw a shape in other panel, that's okay. You just right click to rotate this whole canvas. Now I would like to show the auxiliary eye height and just show it. And then input the rectangle command and select the corner. And the next one, left click to set it. Then I already create a rectangle here. If you want to make it recess, you just come to the top part to find this 3D stretch. Click on it and select the close area. Move it inside. Fit it and hit the space key. Then you can create an area at here. What's more, you can also draw the rectangle on the side panel. So I just input the command and draw it. Specify the first corner and the last one. Then you will create a shape here. Okay, this is all for today. See you at our next video. Goodbye.